red flag.
Okay.
Mushimane abele a female based.
Mm.
Oh my gosh! Yo!
This tulo. Ay. Okay, my God.
Mikey!
My fun.
No, fun. It was smells as a fun. No.
Oh, I want coffee. Yeah, no.
Oh, kina mfeti bihe. Kamizi.
It's over TB.
Ayimizi. How you was serious day? Onnas ganda.
That's ganda. YouTube. It's about this thing make this exotic in the man fana tayo ni ko katas kondiri kir ai. In the meantime between the mature yeta rakala rakata this in dongoma. So yeah guys, today we're gonna be sharing a young blind date first episode, you know. And I'm here with people
Right,
left, you know. Let me go Anchela namaka man Anchela ngutin hlalapi. Nayibona indaba. So first question. Man, what's your type?
Yo, what's my type?
Yeah.
Nah.
What's your type? Yeah, until I been I'm a lefty. Sure. Yeah. What's your type?
Okay, cool. My type is a girl.
Rasanya,
Where's the mic?
Yeah, oh, not that. Boleh na wena sawar. Or tswa. Tsara mic.
Nanya kutsa.
O to tsware na sawar. Boleh lang po.
Okay, my type, bro, I can't explain it, but it's a girl. First thing, the girl who's matured,
Okay.
who's matured, and who doesn't like to go out most of the time,
Okay.
right? And not the skinny one, but in between, bro. In between, not skinny, not fat.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
And light skin.
Okay. Girl, what's your type?
Is it necessary to be a score?
Bolela kam konyaga.
No, I get good to overtell score, even Rena.
Bolela la mo jangwala mfanak. Yeah? Girl, what's your type?
My type? Type yaga obvious. Kumshimana learning very maturity.
Okay.
I tell her
Yeah.
for school.
Okay.
Ne? And maybe tall, dark, and handsome. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So boy, the red flag ko mo yan nang giing.
Red flag.
Yeah.
Yo, the red flag.
Yeah, red flag giing mfan. Dotso sa dira teng ka wanyang.
Okay, let's do one. Yeah. Okay, level it reflect than but yeah, ngarang wayana osing school.
Okay.
Bro, osing
Yeah.
school no osa thateng no sa respecting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro,
And
yeah.
then-
so sa respect ko batho.
Right.
Yeah.
Girl, ke lotso sa dira teng go mshimane.
Red flag.
Okay.
Mushimane me.
Yeah.
Except for stomach. Mushimane abele a female based. Sarani? Kiliteng. Yeah, that's my important red flag.
Okay. The green flag again, girl. So dira tang go mshimane.
Green.
Yeah, green flag. Tell me about-
Green.
Yeah.
Tse ke di ratang ka moshemane.
Yes.
Like take me out, guy. Yeah, mpontshe lerato, you know. Yes.
Okay, guy. The green flag again. When you need.
Maybe go forward in a bad. Maybe go forward. But why Canada? Why you rolling touch, man? Like go.
Okay.
Rolling touch, yeah.
Okay.
As a chabon twara.
And like guys. Pal tshwarana nga matso.
Re tshwarane.
Yeah.
Bang so.
Ka matso like letso le tshwere mic.
Yeah.
Tshwere se go le lengwe. Wena o mtshware ka letso. Yeah. Yes. Okay. More rate out of 10. A boy. Sharp. Hey, enough. A bottle.
Oh.
Enough. Yeah. More rate out of 10.
Out of 10. Through
like conversation, like wait.
so far,
Yeah,
so
so
the
far.
conversation.
Yeah.
Oh, 10.
10. Girl.
Yeah, 10.
Out of 10, more rate so far.
9.5.
Ay. Okay, guys, ne. Get all 5 minutes or whatever. Ane.
Sure.
Sure.
Re tswaletse.
Yeah.
Hey.
Or rula hobo.
Problem na koma.
Yeah. You.
Mitse ka toto ya.
Yo, it's all doing. Also happy. Eh?
Ke tlesaleni.
Nka o ya go ka mna tebe ya khona.
Kona ke tsena ke tlesaleni. Ke aksoto mo nkamna ke tlo kamna.
Yeah. Okay, so ora maybe I think after mo maybe nga o lo tlhapisa. Eh?
Ke sharp.
O ga rasha. O ko po thatsa ha tsela. Jo na ina mafana.
Bandi.
Bandi. Okay. Yeah, we were fana. So bandi. So on how many months or how many days? How many days you singing so?
Daisy singeli.
Oh, singing.
Daisy singeli.
Okay, months, weeks. Months, weeks.
Months, weeks.
Yeah.
Let's have sharp, ne?
Yeah.
4 months.
4 months. Okay. No. Okay. To be honest, no. I think 4 months because April. No. Since from April. Yeah, it's 4 months. So what happened to your last relationship?
I find it out with 3 girls.
3 girls.
Yes. And they were different.
Oh, different. No snatch me or more. Yeah, so the situations are. So this one. Okay, so you can have how can we have or how will we do for a new relationship?
No.
Already.
I'm not. And I don't think you get over it.
Why?
Because,
Because of your last relationship. Come quickly.
yeah, learning to useless, obviously. Yeah, learning to useless. But, I guess so heal to the point of to the next.
But now if I are you get type, become cool explain oh no thing, red flag, green flag, type ya o can know. Happen no tell some now.
Nah.
Yeah.
No, na nagkitlala on my side whole. Kinyaka mo tamo ish.
Yeah, so
Kinya mo tamo biyang and yeah, mara. Pero kimakren. Actually, that's never honest. There was this guy. Okay, Nanliena right now. Marayena, he's not tall, dark, and handsome. He's short.
yeah.
Yeah, he's short, dark, and handsome.
So horror na le try something or
I think, yeah, we're trying something, so I can straight ahead or what.
Joe, but I probably never try something out Linda. Because since when did you know?
No, unless hang on, yeah. God, maybe we can try, mother.
Hongambona.
Hang on, and then if it's a wanna, then Gabon, no, this guy, he's the one. Man, we can try something, but hang on and say he's not the one. No, I can't.
So, all of you will be singing.
I don't think questionnaire relevant. Think of saying.
So, cause if you're interested, Nagacha, what if no, how say it's more, how say you go find or meeting Ganna? What if you can know, utan Hongambona, utan Rai, nah, so your weeds, you can know, Umpudis, so you Umpudis so.
No, I cannot question. I get to like go with this song. Obviously, question on the singing. You know, man. Like, Mara, I'm shocked to her. What are you only a guy? Only tall, dark, and handsome, Osna girlfriend. Can I go no?
Nah, Joe. What if maybe the game is away now? Okay.
You're not cooking. Okay, through conversation, the first song we have, I know, Kobal read a lot of 10. Girl, talk.
7.5.
Boy.
Why rating a 4 can you?
Hey. Out of 10, eh? Boy.
I have for you.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. No, 9.5.
9.5. Okay, like ready for one.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, like
yes.
okay, get a count, ane.
Yeah.
Get a count to 5 from 5. Get a count. One zero from 5 and then little the mask, little bella, I get 2. Little bella, I get 3.
Go opposite side.
Yeah. One zero. And then I get 0 la bella. 5.
Emma, half it to say you that level like what?
Yeah, I get 3. Let it trouble, level like what's all the make.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, level.
Oh my gosh! Yo!
Yo!
You're not serious, guys. I
Kepala lu sutelenya nak ditulo.
Copy.
Yeah.
No. How? Yeah, serious.
I say 9.5, get 10 out of 10.
When out of 10 merita bagai.
Money.
Buff.
Go read that 10 out of 10.
9.5.
Okay guys, ne kita siap. Ne. Kita merita deluxe 9.5. Okay, 9.5 ne. 10.
10.
It's about thing second blind date. It's about thing. Without like the
Me, I would love
for
to. I would love to.
Okay. When?
Second blended.
Yeah,
Second-
just TV. Like it's about loads of date. Like I wanna date. So have a conversation. It's about thing.
Oh, I'm how well of
Second blind date another day. One one.
Let's go. Like it's sweet
One one. Kul regala the chips, the broth.
You're nothing.
Then luge. It's about thing. When or boy, it's about thing.
Yeah.
Okay, when?
I can take a seat. How can I can take a seat?
Okay, like I would send a question say 5 question. Couldn't chill out.
5.
Yeah.
How to do?
3. 3 question, 3. Yeah.
Sure. So, you know what's he getting?
No, like make it a surprise because no, never mind. Make it a surprise the fellow man. This guy. Go to Mar. Go to
Only there. Okay, now we so.
Go with.
Quite a joke. Can't do compil out people. Like, nah, go
No.
Rita.
Kan maraki.
Go Rita.
It's shy. Shy.
And because never, but all is a matter. No, Laila.
Ke shy. Nke re bjana ngwa bona no. Ne ke bolele cause ne ba ntse le the matter so no. Shy.
So, Nana, I'm going to replace a guy or a cook and something.
No.
That's it. True.
Maybe if I can get a red flag. Yeah.
Maybe.
How can get a red flag? Yeah. Who knows?
Oh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
at least the Kupala have at least they.
Errands fat.
Yeah.
Good page.
By the way, come now, did you?
Thank you. I'm excited to meet you.
Come now.
Nekir ka thape ma.
So get quick. Get quick. Get quick. Eh? Hopadi.
Padi.
Ngaro ho tense bjana o nkga boho ebile. Banongo.
Yeah.
Can you like get a eye contact nyana? Galabelana nyana kwa rametlo nyana.
For how many seconds? Minutes?
What? Nje for no. Umlebele bo.
Ma.
Ulebeletse bo.
How? How ke shy?
Please and so.
How manish? How wait.
Yo. You can't tell the
Finger la chabana bjana. Okay, nna yitle he tseho yo no no tla tseho guys, if you like that video don't if you like the video make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button, and maybe we'll give you all a second blind date. Mara la tshwanela no itse
Swallow.
bam.